Well then, they had this program that each child could get a tablet to do them homework, and there was also another program to put Wi-Fi in every school to try to digitize the learning at the school facilities. Yeah, but when JP come in, them cut it out, them take by the tablet from
no,
the
no,
people.
hey, mash down the lie, man. Mash that down.
When
we give him more tablet and laptop. Mash that down. Mash that down. Mash that down. Mash that down. We have to withdraw that, man. I like that. We give it this government that give it more laptop. Worse than a COVID. Worse than a COVID. And improve it to teachers, not to the students. Teachers now getting laptop and tablet.
Listen, man. You see that's
why Carl. Listen now.
When I call you this is something with me see for myself. The students them in the school get the tablet to do them homework. As a matter of fact, the tablet had on internet to do them research also. Don't tell me nonsense, Virgin. This was from in 2013, 14, and 15, before we even have a pandemic. A pandemic may couldn't give a tablet. PNP do that without a pandemic, so don't come with a bullshit right as a Virgin.
Yeah, because Paul will say that.
Hold on. He said the JLP government stop it. Hold on the Blair. Hold on. You what caution say a while ago. Him say the JLP government stop it, and I am telling him that's a lie.
No.
That's a lie. It's still a lie.
I'm going to ask one question now. How much school have Wi-Fi in there right now? Government Wi-Fi. How much?
There's a lot of school have Wi-Fi. I don't know the numbers. But you know, I don't know the numbers. I can't get the numbers. I don't work with the Ministry of Education, so I can't get the numbers. Or you expect me to get the numbers? Or you expect me to get? You know the good thing though. You see.
My sometimes the bag of shouting and the railway don't really work. Because if you don't know a thing, don't talk about it. Because you just say you don't know. I tell you what I know. And you tell me
what we don't know. What we don't know. Tell me what we don't know.
Calm down, Kasha. Hear me I say. You see right now, you have more school now with Wi-Fi. Especially since
COVID.
No, school pay for the Wi-Fi.
School
pay for the Wi-Fi. Government Wi-Fi. Government pay for the Wi-Fi.
Government Wi-Fi we are talking about.
How about the Wi-Fi, brother? I must
government Wi-Fi we are talking about.
Government Wi-Fi we are talking about. We're not talking about another thing.
All right, Carl. Have Wi-Fi. And community center have Wi-Fi. How much school have the government Wi-Fi? We're free.
And we are seeing a lot. We are saying what we don't have the numbers.
Yeah, the figures, brother, but more school.
If you have the number, tell us you have 10 or 12.
All right. The question which I put on the table, you know, was what was the government doing to mitigate the hardship and the backs of the poor? And you said you are going to reel off a raft of items. One, you speak of bus fare, right? And the other one, you speak of art, right?
Part 2. I may never finish. I'll part.
Part. You speak of
social
part,
pension. Right? Social pension
no,
is one.
No. Yeah. Social pension. All right, that's 3. Okay, all right. Let me comment on all 3 of them.
Mm-hmm.
You will agree that.
But it's more than 3, you know. It's a lot.
Let him learn.
All right, yeah. First to comment, let me start with the bus system. Jamaica have 14 parishes. And the bus fares were raised in 14 parishes. And yet still the government find it in its own wisdom to lower the bus fare only to the metropolitan city.
But your argument is not consistent, Mr. Blair.
No,
your argument is not consistent.
Do man. Allow me make my point, sir. Let me make my own point. I am responding to the 3 items you guys put on the table.
No, you stop off at 3.
No, I never stop you.
Come on,
I am commenting. No, I am commenting on the tree. And I start with the bus fare. If you are going to lower bus fare to benefit the poorer class of people in Jamaica, you should have lower bus fare in the 14 parishes. Lowering bus fare only in Kingston, which does not take the majority of the people into consideration. Let me finish.
No, that's a minute. That's 1 minute, Mr. Blair.
No, not yet. When we finish, anything you are going to do to benefit the poor, it must be right across the table, right across 14 parishes. Because while you increase bus fare to the traveling public in Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth and St. Anne's and Trelawney, you have lowered the bus fare in Kingston Metropolitan. So you cannot speak to that as a method of mitigation towards the poor people, because that is only done in one parish.
All right, Mr. Blair, you repeat yourself now. Let me say something to you. Why, Mr. Your argument is not consistent. You said the JUTC only serve in Kingston and Montego Bay. But your argument is that the bus fare is in 14 parish. So you cannot speak like that. The government only can drop the fare and the entity that they respond for. So that's the main reason why I say your argument not consistent.
So why did the government subsidize the bus fare for the remaining 13 parishes?
Okay, but Mr. Blair, there is things that put in place. Okay, what the government is doing now, the MPs of some areas start to, and I can speak for East Portland, where Anne-Marie Valls get 2 school bus for the children in that section of the island. The Minister of Transport and Works is now looking into to extend the JUTC service to other part of the island. Everything can done one time. And if the PNP should have win tomorrow morning, God forbid, I want to see them do everything one time. Everything can do one time. But Mr. Blair, I just want to move on a little bit. If I want to correct you on something where you say yesterday on another live, I think I see him live here. Yesterday, in order for defend PJ Patterson taking a salary of 100% at the time, you're bringing in both Lady B and Lady Shearer. You literally say them did a suffer. My words that no. You literally say them never did depend nothing. So embrace them pain. Elevate it so that them could assist something in them pocket. That is what you were saying, right?
I did not use the word suffer.
No, you never use the word.
Let me rephrase. Let me repeat this. No, let me repeat.
Yeah, repeat.
I have great regard for Lady Bustamante.
Yeah, go on,
Lady Bustamante is the wife of
Bustamante,
one of our national hero, and Jamaica's first prime minister.
Yeah.
And I say the reason why the most honorable Percival James Patterson increased the pension was to facilitate those 2 ladies.
Those 2, all right.
The wife of those 2 persons.
Mute your mic now and listen to me.
Okay.
Mr. Blair, nonsense you talk. Lady Shearer, Enderman, how's your name? Mala. Wait, Lady Shearer. All right, just say Lady Shearer.
Bustamante.
Hold on. Lady Shearer. Lady Shearer. We're talking about Lady Shearer first. You say Lady Shearer, she's a doctor. She's a doctor of medicine.
Own hospital. Right?
She own her hospital. The lady don't want no money. No, PJ never had to do nothing for she. Lady B. Now, never did a search for money. Now, then I fall back bad time because she don't get a pension for her husband.
Plus, I like what the argument you go going on. You know, like what the argument you go. But
Plus,
we're
she
going
don't
to
get a
talk about
pension.
the
Hold on.
salary increase.
Plus,
Where the
she didn't get a
parliamentarians them
pension.
check.
Plus, she didn't
Remember,
get
I
a pension. Plus, she didn't get a pension from the Busterman to trade union. So don't come defend PG when him take the 100%.
She was getting. One minute, Carson. 1 minute. She was getting the pension of her husband, who was prime minister, up to.
Well, I know. Listen, we not go defend that. But would you say it is a CM for the 200% increase for the politician them take what they are when you have a man like Nigel Clark who holds multiple, like, would I say them a millionaire? Andrew only, Juliet only. Whether another one named Chuck, Chang, all of them play people. Did they deserve?
And Julian Robertson too. Don't forget the name there.
Yeah, the whole of them. Did they deserve a 200% increase?
You ask me, is a question you ask?
Send them us.
Okay, nice. Let me answer you in two parts.
No. We don't want to pass.
You see, I know you want me. That's what I don't like with you. You always want me to answer.
No.
You want me to answer. And you're not going to get that.
We're good for the goose, good for the gander.
You want me.
The name out a lot of things where the lady just born. One man, you want me to answer. Listen, well, the answer then. Let me tell you what I tell you. You name out a lot of things where the lady just own and you say she don't deserve or she don't need a pension of that magnitude, right? Fine.
You never hear the argument.
In a parliament.
You hear the argument.
You never said deserve.
You don't hear the argument. You don't do something else. No, you don't hear it. If you didn't hear, you only say what you say.
All right, so I could go through all of what the MP them own. The member, the minister them own right now. We take the 200% increase. We could talk about that.
You Blair. Tell caution where the context where we are come from. If I'm not hear the argument. No, but that's what you don't respond. Because you want just run off the mouth and just start.
When the man raise the pension and the salary where Nigel Clark raise now, actually I got affect all of the ministers in pension.
All right, caution. Did you hear the reason that the then Minister of Finance gave why one of the reasons why them
listen, we don't want to hear the reason.
Not labor right though. Say that make no sense.
Them time then. And the same reason no.
What is the difference of what PJ do and the difference of what Nigel do now?
Exactly. Question that you Blair. Are you tell me that? Are you tell me that this is a dig a pit for yourself, you Blair? Are you tell me? You tell me
raise the people salary pension by 100%, but yet still Nigel raise it by 200%.
To attract better minds, to government and ministry.
So where is Nigel Clark now? Where is Nigel Clark?
Nigel Clark is an individual, no.
Mr. when then no. When him then no.
We know when they. We know when they're no longer with us in our government. So
what is your point?
What is your point? What is your point?
And the point is that nonsense you're chatting.
Oh yeah, because we not agree with you. I will not go agree with you. Because we don't agree with you.
The man will actually make the talk and him first run out of parliament.
Yeah, you don't believe in a greener pastor.
For the same reason.
You don't believe in a greener pastor.
Maybe if you didn't allow him to get his.
You don't believe in a greener pastor. You don't believe that people can uplift themselves. And that's not you.
Where? All right. Where is the best finance minister? Where is he now?
Don't worry about that.
The man worry about that.
Pastor. Greener pastor. More money.
He's not in the cabinet, but he's still here.
So when Nigel Clark was Minister of Finance,
he will still give us his expertise and his advice.
You Blair. Mr. Blair. Look like Mr. Blair got asleep. Your chopper asleep. But I want to ask him something, you know.
Mr. Blair got asleep.
Look like him got asleep, man.
I go and listen till him chipping back. It's called Lewis.
Yeah, well, you know, I don't like reason with myself, you know. For when I reason with myself, it's like me's a madman. So I don't really like reason with myself. You see what I say?
See him.
So, I see caution jump out. So if you want, put up back a PNP, for me not like.
No, man, me don't know.
Oh, you're there. All right. Now, let me tell you something.
Ask the question.
No, may I make a statement first, Mr. Blair? Let me tell you something. You see all when the nice and the this and the that, when you check it out, the both parties make some errors and them do some good. And you are going there, so and me are going there, so we are going to defend the party to the core. And nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. But as me always say, me as a man, me have a strong personality, you know, Mr. Blair. Me will talk loud. But it don't mean say nobody are go dead. For me no wish dead pan people. I mean, I want to see nobody dead. Because especially politics. But it is what it is. We always, I say, we believe. Just like a Bobby Picasso.
So we could go back to Nigel now.
We didn't
Where
believe.
is Nigel Clark?
Nigel Clark, they are Washington.
You know,
Washington him there. What wrong with that?
You know, actually, right? You know, this is a problem, you know. And Nigel Clark proved that to Jamaican people. Nigel Clark didn't pick the post or come into politics because he wanted to help Jamaica.
For a lesser pay.
Because he wanted to benefit himself. Listen to the man, just listen to me and say.
No man, listen to the foolishness.
No, the man realize that he can get a better salary and probably control more money and he move up the ladder. Nothing wrong with that, you know. But you see the difference is Omar Davis got that same opportunity.
No, that is not true. That is not true.
Who tell you that? Mash down the lie there again. Mash down the lie there.
Mash down which lie?
Mash down the lie there. Mash down the lie there. Mash down the lie there. Not like that.
You see when I talk about, you see you now, Carlo.
You get a oof there from Kasha.
Mash down the lie there. Mash down the lie there.
Get the same opportunity
Mash down the lie there.
job.
Mash it down.
And Nigel Clark alone take it.
Lie.
And I want to, no, guess so now. You and Omar Davis secretary.
Peter Phillips also got.
And you read the
Peter
man.
Phillips could have got the job also.
You read
Could have,
And none of them never take it.
Could have, what you mean by could have?
No.
Could have. Listen to your English, you know. No, you're an educated man. He's not could have.
They offered Peter Phillips a job and he didn't take it.
Mr. Blair.
What level of job?
Mr. Blair.
They didn't take it.
What position?
Mr. Blair.
What position did he
As bad as Omar Davis is, Omar Davis never taxed sanitary napkin. Peter Phillips is the only man do that, the only Minister of Finance.
We're not getting into, you see, those are semantics. Those are,
we're not going
those
to
are semantics. No, we're not going to semantics. I don't like semantics. My level of reasoning is
What you call semantics?
different from semantics.
He taxed sanitary napkin.
Yeah, but all right.
And he tax party. And he tax a bank account. How much? How often you draw money in put a tax on that also?
Mr. Peter Phillips are the only finance minister from Jamaica will get an award from DC, Washington.
Yes, to snatch on Jamaica because he signed a secret MOU. And hide it in a camp.
You see your life said and the same thing Nigel do.
Alright, you can't reason them way there, you know. Because you see, when you start to go down in them the argument, you know, all you are going to say to me, if you're going to pick up at the back of scandal and throw it on you, you know.
You can't have a scandal because scandal the PNP name. So
you're not in a position to talk about no scandal. Because anyone in scandal for make PNP win. PNP that only win one election and that at 89. So nobody
$3 trillion there. What the $3 trillion were unaccounted for right now. Where the tree?
You know, say, me convince all the while, I tell people all the while, caution, you know, say you don't know politics. You don't know politics.
I don't know politics.
You say, you don't know politics. Some of your arguments you talk politics.
Caution,
I'm from
Montego Bay.
You believe government, you believe any minister or MP can just go and just take money out of the government stuff. So, you believe them can do that?
Explain.
That's
You see the money, caution, you see the money we are about missing. You see the money we are about missing.
But every man is innocent until proven guilty.
Okay.
Every man is innocent until proven guilty.
Rural was not protected by the Prime Minister.
I don't know if him going to the ministry and take the money. I don't know of that.
Rural Reed was not protected by the Prime Minister, you know. You remember what Aristotle do down Clarendon, where in tech government land, build place on it, and they collect the money put in a pocket. And it was protected by the Prime Minister.
No, you
and
don't
then
know
promote in the cabinet afterwards.
Carl, tell him to stop now. Because the police system attack.
But everybody had debate. So the fact that the Auditor General has stated that there's over $2 trillion unaccounted for.
That was a lie said by the IC.
It's a lie, right?
Because they discovered the 4 bank book that was declared by the Prime Minister.
Make him finish. Make him finish.
The IC did not say it. The Auditor General, Miss Pamela, said it. She said.
You know what you do? Tell Miss Pamela say for lock up the whole party name JLPNP because of them TV. Tell her.
I would love that. I would love that.
Since that man, tell her to do it. Tell her to lock them up and show where the key is. Even sentence and thing. Tell her.
Listen to me. So when I say a lie, she tell.
Tell her to do it. Because where is the evidence?
No,
where is the evidence of money missing? Where is the evidence?
Where that money missing from?
Where is the evidence? Sean, we need help at 3 PNP.
Where she said me from?
One next labor right up here.
Watch the box.
Tell a labor right to type in and say, and
yeah, we are listening to come up at 3 PNP power up here.
Call the back up. Yesterday, I mean, one did it, I never called for no back up.
No, you can't manage it. You know me can't manage it. You know something in the back. You know me now.
Read the Auditor General's report.
If me read the Auditor General report, you know love come with them argument there, see. But if you read this, you read that. Some things you have to read enough.
In place to oversight the government. What are you saying? So we are saying people to oversight.
I say you have to tell the Auditor General to lock up the member of parliament them and lock up the Prime Minister. Because them thief money.
Give me a second. We're talking with sense. We are paying these people to oversight the spending of our tax dollars. And you're telling me that you don't believe the people that we're paying, that we put in the job to do the job. We don't believe them when they send us these reports? Is that what you're saying?
The money that was missing was a money from Omar Davis' time.
Oral. The $2 trillion.
Listen, the money oral, but oral right and the same thing never tell it too. And from when that auditing done? And from which period to which period? Hold on, man. Answer that question. Which period to which period that happened?
Listen to me.
Since government in 2016 was done from 2012.
Over $2 trillion.
The
money was the money that them took
from 2012.
It was from 2012 to 2024.
And who was in power? 2012.
And who was in power 2016?
Who was in power 2012?
Who is in power now?
We are saying,
who is in power now?
All right, we are saying then, so the two of them thief some money then. You want, we just quick start out then? Just as I
the money the Auditor General said missing was the money from Omar Davis time where them take from Zeke.
Omar Davis wasn't finance minister in 2012. So
Yeah,
we have
No, he was not. He was not. I was Peter Phillips.
Omar Davis coming out.
Oral. You see,
Yeah.
if you start going down the line there, we are going to go in some very uncomfortable things.
What make you want
Anything
to
you
talk
want,
about?
go in, man. We're not afraid.
All right.
Why don't want to talk about those times?
All right, listen. Oral, listen now. The chairman of the UDC and Housing Authority of Jamaica went to Jamaica National Bank on 20 occasions in 3 months to lodge over $4 million in cash in a drop box to the Prime Minister account. Is that false?
Let's deposit. It can't lead back to nobody.
Propaganda.
All right. Hold on. Sean, me say, hold on, man. I want to talk to me. They come in, me hear the two man attack. I want to ask them something.
Yeah, go show Philip.
We go back to 20 to 19, 18, and the 80s, 90s. We are talking about now, brother. We have two man. We are go for the future of the country now. We not go back to now. Go help no narrative. Now go make them do nothing. We just try to save money. And if hold on, brother, hold on, man.
Philip, it not work the way they like how you attack.
Oh, you mean? But look here. But all right, look here. A tool.
No.
But me ask you something. Hold on. Let me ask, brother.
In order to
Clarify what? We are clarify that. Hey. Hold on, you think we have back now right now can stop you them for hungry today? And stop you them for say how they can earn we have a life tomorrow.
You can't stop, but it's a cost. That's the cost.
But the cost of what? Hey, my youth.
Since this, hungry, go and go feed them.
Brother, no easy no man and stop with no ignorant and no arrogant, no brother.
We must go back.
We are go back now. We are go back. You can't. All right, you can't take up spilled milk. You can't clip up straight. Move on. Hey, you get 9 years for move on and you can't move on yet.
Oh, you're uncomfortable with the past and that's how
uncomfortable. Hey, look here. Hey, but look here. Because you know why? Yes, we're uncomfortable with the past, but you don't have a future. But when you're not showing a future, you don't have no. Brother, you don't show enough future. That's right. You don't have to go back to the past. You see, you shouldn't. Hey, look here. If a man have 9 years, you should not champion on the past.
You're a blind
hey,
man.
Look here. Look here.
Carlos, make Philip go through with him, I say.
But look here, what me I try to say now? If me hold on, Mr. Blair, hold on. If me set a foundation, that's it, the country and the people can gravitate to that look to. Me don't have to go back to cause my people. Me that thing to say my people and I say
Philip, your mic echo. Philip,
me don't know why. I told me not rain still.
Come out of the box and come back. Philip. Your mic echo.
You know, Carl, you know, so you should have been ashamed.
Yeah, Carl.
With current affairs, on a run back to the 90s when Andrew Wallace campaigned in 2016. To be different, and it turns out that he's worse. We should be ashamed for every time we mention current affairs, we run back to the 90s and the 80s. It is sad.
My brother, I'm sorry. So sorry, say the past make you feel uncomfortable. But we shall always tell it.
No.
We are always tell it. So that's your business. You feel uncomfortable when we talk about it. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it.
Brother, it's not a matter of no past. Hold on. Hey, no past and me feel uncomfortable. Because, hey, right now, hold on there. No. You know, say shit. Right now, Carl, you Carl and the JLP are spread false narrative. Hold on. The only time this economy, hold on. The only time this economy ever grow by 3% under Omar Davis, I'm going to check them facts and see if I lie, me I tell. The only time Jamaican economy.
When you say growth, what you mean?
The economic growth mean we are earn more.
Grow out.
All right, hold on, brother, just listen. You can't trick nobody, man.
Brother, 0.3%, you mean?
Come on for the program. With a fool.
All the time. Yo, just my so we are qualified. Then go check it.
Check what?
Go and check it. Go and check it.
So go and check it, my brother.
Hold on, man.
Go and check it.
Next thing again.
Economy grew by 3.5 in 2006.
Yes.
But then that means
And you only took the government from Porsche, the country was growing at 3% cumulative.
yeah.
Exactly.
So when they come there look fast now like they can't treat nobody. They might pay for company like contact police.
The country is going into
Hey brother, who no can't treat?
Philip Power you want name. Philip Power you want name. And I we are lofters, you know.
Mr.
I
Blair.
run my own shit, yeah. I run my own business. Me no beg.
Mr. Blair.
Me no beg.
I beg you to talk about no. Because if you not tell the truth, I beg you to beg right now.
I run my own business.
Hey, look here, man. Yo, me not gonna tell you no shit. Because here, remember saying to my youth, right now, you not even talk right now, say the economy right now, under decline right now, and Andrew will not stop.
Not now
What?
the economy.
But I better like you cruel and wicked, man. Why the spark program can't go on? Because we have a short parliament budget.
It's
Oh my Christ.
Bet you live in Jamaica. Bet you probably live in Jamaica. Bet you say you're there in Jamaica. Give me the spark program start from Monday we're gone. You don't bet you say in Jamaica you're there. Where? Foolishness.
Show up. Every road in Jamaica right now bad. Every road in Jamaica bad right now.
Be truthful and tell me if you're there in Jamaica. You don't.
Yeah, right at Jamaica, me there. So you can search me, right at Jamaica, me there.
For search, you not bring up violence. I mean, it's not a violence, man.
But that's not come with no arrogant. Hey, Porsche the best. Hey, Peter Phillips and Porsche left a flat economy. For Andrew Holness and the man, that's why they could achieve so much. Because they corrupt so much. That's why they grab the country revenue.
Yo,
what?
Yo,
Bruce Golden and Adlisha.
Hey, look here. Bruce Golden and Adlisha have the country under 13 part of negative growth. 13.
Because of the pressure the public sector put on the government.
No, because Adlisha say. Well, I know Adlisha say. The recession. Well, I know, brother. Because Adlisha said the recession.
We couldn't grow the economy.
That benefit Jamaica.
We couldn't grow it.
And guess what? Because it ain't a stink. But well, I know how you can grow. But that's what your finance minister then said. So guess what? You know, put no strategy in place to conquer the recession. Hold on, brother. Look here.
Make one at a time talk. Let me ask you this.
Hey, if I have free and I say, it might depend on tourists. And guess what? That time they know Jamaica start bringing some little cheap tourists. Edmund Bartlett said, our tourism system is on a boom. That time, he might go for some little cheap people. We come here, they not have no money. But then just come here and pass through like a tourist. But then spend no money in the Caribbean. So we don't go have a high growth of tourists that pass through here, but no money now spend. Craft market dead. The hotel them now make no great money, but the Minister of Tourism can brag say we have 22 million pass through, and when you check it out, nothing for show for it. Just like your government right now, brag say the economy is on a bloom and people are dead for hungry. Poverty and the increase, and them sure say we have the lowest unemployment rate, but they now say we in the Caribbean are getting less money for work, while the government and the politician in Jamaica are getting the highest pay in the Caribbean. And that a crippling our brother. And as a young youth, don't stop talk shit. Look on the facts of what going on in the country right now, brother. And tell me, say me, I tell lie.
All right. You get a good run now, you know. Shut up and make other people talk now.
But you can't say nothing.
Yes,
I don't know how to tell you no about a lie too.
Shut up and make other people talk now.
Yeah.
That whole heap of shit where you just chat a while ago. Let me tell you something. Me and you don't have no control over natural disaster. Over man-made, certain man-made disaster. When the JLP government is in an office in 2007, to 2012. You know what did we reach with? We have one of the
2011.
worst recession since the Great Depression. Yes, we feel the IMF system. Yes,
not one,
we never
not
passed them.
one.
Yes, we never passed them. But guess what? We never passed them not because the any bad policy of the government. It's not because of that. We couldn't pass them because one, the worst recession since the Great Depression. The police them carry the government to court. Your party said them not take a pay cut. All of the citizens, not one public sector worker get laid off or get redundant or get fired. Not one.
I'm not one financial company close.
Weather the storm. So all what you are talking about, you not say not yet. We'll and come again, my brother. We'll and come again. You know what?
All right, Carl. All right.
When everybody land now, when everybody did agree in the 90s, and we're going to always talk about it. When everybody did agree in the 90s, all of the Caribbean country them run way. Jamaica never did agree because the PNP did not concentrate on cronyism, nepotism, and favoritism.
So Carl, what is your government concentrated on now?
What
is your government concentrated on now?
We are concentrating on
Hold on. I asked the question, you know. Why the business partner of the Prime Minister go to the bank overnight, go drop cash, which cannot be traced?
So what is wrong with that? What is wrong with that? What is wrong with that?
Hold on.
What is wrong with that?
Make me land first. Me fly my own plane. And I'll make you fly my plane for me. Why the Prime Minister have to have him business partner who is the chairman of UDC and the chairman of Housing Agency of Jamaica? Go to the bank 20 times in 3 months. Go drop cash in excess of over $200,000 each time to accumulate $4 million to pay a loan where the Prime Minister said the man who him. Why the man couldn't draw a check and send it go get the Prime Minister? Why the man couldn't use...
You can't ask me too much one time. Let me answer that little piece. Let me answer that little piece. And then you ask me the next one.
No.
Let me answer that little piece, man. Let me answer that little piece and then you ask me another one.
No.
Me not have brains. My head not good for
the question not finished yet. The question not finished yet. Right? Why couldn't the man draw a check and send it to the Prime Minister? Why the man couldn't use online banking and transfer the money to the Prime Minister account? Why the man have to go in the dead of night, go drop cash in our safe box down there to pay the Prime Minister? Why? Is that corruption? Is that ethical behavior?
The money
is that morally correct for the Prime Minister for the country?
Can I answer that now, Mr. Blair?
No, answer that.
All right, now go answer that. I don't know which part, where I have to laugh, you know. The man use any method convenient to him. You are talking about the man should I write a check. Oh, you know the man have a checking account. That's the first.
No, me no say. Mr. Blair should even reason with Carl corrupt. No, yo, Carl. Yo, we don't hear nothing from you, brother. If you say that as a Prime Minister, right. So what? All right. Hold on, brother. Hold on. We not allow you to say nothing, Carl. Look here, brother. Look here, man. Blair. No, me can tell you nothing. If a man, you see, if a man, Mr. Blair, a different corruption in that farmer way. Simply mean to say, brother, if you call a different corruption in that way, that simply means to say, you is a part of corruption to brother. The man now get no point.
Finish my point. Me now go allow you for talk. And yes, let me finish my point. The man ask me a question. Rather make a tactics about you know. Look here, the man use any measures were convenient to him. The man don't must have a checking account. So when you have a talk about why never write a check, the man maybe run a business and that's so him can afford to pay back him loan. Look how much I will borrow loan sometimes. But borrow loan enough time, we can't afford to pay it back one time. Sometimes the loan take me 20 weeks to pay back. But I saw it now, it is what it is. So the argument when you talk about corruption, me not see no corruption in that. Milan now.
All right, Mr. Blair, one more ask you. What's the problem you have with what you have with the metal what the man used?
What the
What's the
man
problem you have with the metal what the man used?
Yeah, alright, building a little man, because me really get paranoid about the whole conversation in the Virgin. What the man name you, Blair?
You Blair can't answer the question.
Blair.
Him name slip me right. Him slip me right away now.
You know what says before you go answer.
Alright, stop the butcher, man. I want to
Alright, make cash that time.
See a man we are chairman for UDC, right?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna look up in bio. I'm going to hold on no, mute to the mic. I'm gonna read out this man bio and you tell me if this man don't have a fucking check account. Wait there.
Yes, Mr. Blair. All me I say, I don't know, so I not care what car should I come with. Unless him can come with something for proof so the man have a checking account. Is a different thing. But the man use the method convenient to him. That the man do.
The first question I ask Mr. Blair. What is your evidence that the man got 20 times according to you to the bank in 3 months? Where you get that evidence from?
It is in the Integrity Commission report to the Parliament.
So why, if it's something illegal, why the Integrity Commission don't prosecute the Prime Minister and the man?
Yeah. Yeah, since it's illegal, go lock him up.
Hey, hold on, stop it. You just see the Prime Minister and put a gag out of everything and then you got court now. You have to wait after the court, you know. After the court, everything will come up. So don't talk about that.
Get and facts.
No, man, the case not finished yet.
The gag order means it's not politician, not the tax.
The case is under investigation.
Tax and look for the thing and then when tax and find thing will come back.
Mr. Blair, the IC table them report that mean it is finished. The Prime Minister is under no more investigation.
So why if the Prime Minister?
So when got court? When got court for?
Why
can the IC got court?
Court for some people like people say him a thief and all this, so he make the thing clear.
Why
so he can do lawsuits.
Tomorrow you will hear, but you shall not go hide tomorrow. What?
Why if you not tomorrow?
Why got court? Why got court? Why carry IC got court?
Yes,
man. Yeah, more here.
We are going to tell you again. The last time we are going to tell you.
Yeah.
The Prime Minister has said him reject the finding of the IC. He reject and on that grounds and under that basic asks for a judicial review. What is wrong with that?
All right. Hear my piece. Hold on. Why the main thing why the Prime Minister take them to the court? They release private information for the Prime Minister where they find him not guilty. And if you don't find him guilty, there's some information they put in the public should have never gone in the public. That is the main reason.
So who you blame for that?
The IC, because of their...
Hold on. One question the IC want from the Prime Minister, you know. How you become so rich? Explain to the country of Jamaica, of which you are the Prime Minister,
shares and
the executive,
shares
and sit in the legislature.
Yeah.
The IC want from the Prime Minister to tell them where him get all of them money where he have. Or we
shares,
so rich.
Shares. The man buy US
when
shares,
get money to buy shares.
And growing
Before
money.
you can buy shares, you have to have money to buy shares.
Then the Prime Minister already work.
What are the oral?
Before you can buy
did you
shares,
know,
you have to have
Mr.
the money
Blair,
to buy the shares.
Mr. Blair, did you know that the Prime Minister will take out loan for buy shares? You don't know that. No,
The Prime Minister take out.
No,
the Prime
you don't
Minister
know
get
that. You don't know
50
that.
million.
No.
The Prime Minister get $50 million from Barita without
Loan
giving them
for
no
buying
collateral.
The Prime Minister don't need collaterals.
The shares.
Mr. Blair, the Prime Minister don't need collaterals.
To use
the Prime Minister can be found anywhere at all.
as collateral.
The Prime Minister don't need that. I tell you that the Prime Minister can be found anywhere. The things that them do to the Prime Minister, them not gonna do it for me and you. Because them know them can't find him anywhere.
That's why the man from Nepal have to resign. Because him work there.
What are them? Let me hear. Mr. Blair, let me hear the lies with caution and come with you. Let me hear the lies when I come with you.
We find out this man. We all know so this man is a director, HAJ and UDC. Mr. Brown have a Pembroke trucking, St. James business engaging cement distribution, real estate development and transportation is owned by Mr. Brown. You want to tell me, say a man like this don't have a checking account?
So what have to do with it when they have checking account or not, Caution?
But you just have a checking account, and if you have a checking account, what that have to do with how we pay about the money? If I have to do it
because him pay the money and
somebody owe you, how they want to pay you, it matter? If me borrow money from you, or me want to pay you matter? What that have to do with it? Yeah, how me want to pay you matter?
Let me tell you this, man. You see the Prime Minister is basically doing tax evasion and fraud. Because number one, any legal business person always try to leave paper trail. Any man who see a business and don't want to leave a paper trail involving illegal activities. And that's a fact.
All right? Facts are called to you. That's how we mark gold and do. Tax evasion by go a Bahamas go deal with business.
Caution. Anybody who deal with the bank, anybody who deal with the bank, no matter which method them use, it leave a paper trail. No matter which method they use in the bank, it leave a paper trail.
It don't leave a paper trail when you chop it in the box.
Then all them find out.
All them know say do it.
All them find out. All them know.
Yeah, all them know say do it.
All them know. It leave a paper trail. Once you go through the system.
Yeah, Mara there the drop box, Carl Lewis.
Camera.
So the camera
yes, I know, my brother.
The camera shows that the Prime Minister
it shows that you have a lodge.
Yo, you see them two
man. The camera can't tell you who you lodge to.
You see them two man.
No, but the Prime Minister got the money will lodge to it. And the Prime Minister got the money out of the bank.
What is wrong with that?
This is like money.
What is wrong with that? Him draw out the money. What wrong with that? Me have my money. Me have $1 million in the bank. I'm saying I'm try to. What wrong with that?
All the money, Carlos. Stop going like that.
Yeah, me not have no money. All right, fine. Fine. Me never tell you say me have money. But me have said to you say me have $1 million and besides say me have a dry it out. Me not have no money. Me broke like dog. Fine.
Yo, the whole fact is the matter that Uno I come and I defend the whole corruption and I always have an explanation for Andrew Holness. Yeah. Not know where Andrew Holness to do wrong for Uno. Not even when
we're going to jump and crucify our Prime Minister because of people like you and the PNP say. We're going to do it. We'll never do that.
So,
Caution.
You and the PNP say.
This is something to your caution. Give me a minute. Just give me a minute.
Listen, I don't want a minute, mate. When not chat, mate, I don't want people to talk on break. As people start talking, I want give minute. Relax, man.
All right, go ahead, Caution.
It's fine to understand with people, brethren, when it comes down to dealing with things because you don't want to criticize other people about other things when you don't have the proof for. And even when people have proof about things, you don't want to come with explanations. The mere matter of the fact is that whatever people see out there and hear out there, just leave it as it is because me now go tolerate Uno I come up in the box to come try justify this man.
Hey, my man your life. Stop talking. Take back where you Take back where you You not gonna tolerate and your life this man. Stop it. Stop talking where you talk and listen what you say.
All right. Let us alone. Come on, just a process. Caution. What do you ask for caution?
Just say what you say. No, come with that. You're not run this.
Caution, my question to you, Caution.
Can you like this?
Caution, my question to you is. My question to you. Caution, my question to you.
Overtalk me and come to a question. I don't want to answer the question until I talk.
Brother, calm down, man. You're a skin, man. Calm down, man.
Hold on that chat. I'm just saying, so if I get a minute to make my point, let me make my point first. Oh, I'm turning my yard.
But you repeat yourself, brother. You repeat yourself.
Lock off. Lock off to make me talk.
All right, make him go show. All right.
You understand?
Yeah, what me to ask you now, Caution? If a man owe you, does it matter how him pay you and as long as you get your pay? Caution.
We don't have no proof. So they might owe him, you know.
So what
we have no proof.
But you have proof, say thief him thief the money then, bro.
I never said that.
Proof. Yeah,
What kind of proof you
I
have?
know, I never said that.
You see, you can't have your cake and eat.
No, I never said that.
Listen, no. Mr. Blair.
I never said that.
Caution finish, no? Oral, make caution finish. Because yes, you man a talk here and question.
You see him want finish? He might get up in him feelings as usual. You don't know that already.
Caution, leave it live.
Nah, man.
You Richard, talk where you talk if you talk, man. But you have sense.
Listen, no, me, what are we have sense? I mean by the way, every comrade have sense. Hey, every comrade have sense.
Don't come in foolishness. And me don't know about every comrade. Me don't know about every comrade. I don't know about every
The PNP is so brainwashed. The PNP is so brainwashed that they believe comrade mean PNP.
What comrade mean?
The PNP just
Comrade mean
comrade mean friends.
All right. Okay. So look at them, I'm glad on the say it. We know, I'm glad on the say it. So why want to offend if me call you comrade?
Because we are uno.
You never ever told me as a comrade, Mr. Richard.
Comrade is a PNP word. In Jamaica, comrade is a PNP word. And we're not
Not referring to a liberal.
Anyway, see Caution come. Caution finish his.
Yes, sir. What me I say, please. To only know is that. Me don't want a man ask me a question until me make my point when me I try to say. You understand? The mere fact is that we have people underneath investigation right now. And we have people who do corrupt activities. Me I going to use a perfect example. Andrew Holness involved in the NEPA deal. Where we see a lot of fish lose them life and the damage to the river, right? And it make a man we give the loan of $50 million from Berita come be chairman in the film office for sign a non-disclosure deal and take money from trade wind and all of them something there and squash out things. We not hear Andrew come and speak about none of them something there. You understand what I say? $3 trillion, miss up. Right? Everybody ever say, oh, from that time to that time, the person them get wide scale. So you mean if you tell me, say, when Andrew go in a power, him never have no financial advisor, nobody there for hard if you say, yo, things wrong, and you run the country for 9 years, and I know, say, money the miss, I empty the money. Because if you give me a company right now for run, the first thing I go check is the finances. The first thing I go check as me reach it is the finances to find out what on with a company before me proceed. And let me say something wrong, and I go raise an alert. So the mere fact that Andrew in a power for 8 to 9 years, no money never miss up. And Andrew thief the money.
All right, Caution. The money missing, and it's not the money only missing. The file also missing.
Oral, make him finish the oral. Make him finish the oral.
Come on, go on too long and repeat himself.
No, man, you can't. No, man. Make him finish.
Andrew thief the money and the file. Thank you for adding on that too. You understand what I say?
Yeah, but the money missing from 2012. Who was in office 2012?
I proof of that.
Who was in office 2012?
All right.
The money and the file missing.
All right. You see, you know, you basically are sure that the Prime Minister incompetent. Because you know why I'm incompetent? If money missing from 2012 and him in office 8 years now. And him going in a check to see how much money there and this and that and try to balance the book. Him should have been a Prime Minister.
I like Prime Minister job that. That is the job of the DDP, the prosecutor.
Every time I hear the brother talk, I really have to laugh.
Oh, brother, man. So, who for job? Who for job? What is the job of the Prime Minister? To come take pictures, smile up with him big nose,
We grow the economy and get the country and stable. The Prime Minister to grow the economy and get the country stable.
If you really I think about what now celebrating. Because I see him we son blame PJ Patterson, you know. So PJ Patterson was to manage the money. Andrew not to manage money. Everything what happened in the PJ time and blame PJ as he was the Prime Minister. But when it comes down to Andrew will have one job. One job, Andrew, but when PJ run the country, PJ have 20 jobs. PJ responsible.
That go backward and forward. That go backward and forward.
You know, come here.
When you go backward.
I say for you, I want a piece of cake for you, you know.
That go backward and forward. If we talk about Omar and Mark Golding, you know,
it's a man this. No, it's a man this named Rose. No, sir.
Yes, a man. He's a man.
No, sir. Nope. Not me. Not to the man named Rose.
How about credit forward you go? Omar and Golding rob all our money at Jamaica and slave we out. The country in lockdown. The country in lockdown.
It's a fool that come from. It's a Sunday school patient that come from.
Sean, you really put that
They
down.
argument are bigger than you, man.
Mr. Richard, no calm down, man.
Rest free.
Sunday school
I call him fool and I call him names.
Take him out.
Answer that.
See,
no. He not on part of program with this a fool.
you know, ain't get rich. You know, ain't get rich.
Yeah, me say, what
Born in the riches.
making same thing.
Born in the riches.
Born in the riches.
No.
Born in the
Riches is not in question.
Sean,
So what was Mark
Riches is
Golding?
not in question.
Oh, no, I want this. Listen.
Hold on, you know.
Sean, mute them on them.
Hey, Carl.
Sean, them on the
Tell
dust
them
up.
on
Wait, them on the dust up. Wait, them on the
Hold on, there, friend. Hold on, there.
Wait.
Name Rose. Watch
Tell
that.
him
Name
to mute
Rose.
him and sit on one side.
In Mark
Argument
Golding.
of him.
Yo, the mute, make me hear that,
Mark
brother.
Golding, you want to be a prime minister? Explain it well.
Sean, wait a minute.
You can't listen to that damn fool. You know, see how he that
Wait a
is.
minute.
Take man.
Sean, take the
Explain Mark Golding, man.
You can't come argue with university
Can't
people
believe
like
this man
me.
named Rose.
Explain Mark Golding.
I say name me Dan Rose.
Explain why my mother give your father jacket.
Explain Mark Golding.
Mr. Blair, that's a discrimination.
Explain why your father. Explain why your father give. Why your mother give you wrong father you.
Explain Mark
Explain why your father. Your mother give. Explain why your father give your mother a wrong name. Explain why your father.
Explain Mark Golding well.
We not talk to no man when they're Rose.
Explain how he get well.
No, we don't want no man up here near
Explain why your
Rose.
mother
Look here, explain that.
you.
Look here,
Come on,
explain
there to the box. Come on, there to the box. Take him out of the box. He's not qualified to help you, so. Take him out of the box. Good.
Yeah, man.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Sean.
man. Thanks. Continue.
Sean, I want him to tell us, you know, don't follow them PNP, them PNP are making a problem, you know.
See,
I take out people out of the box because it don't suit them, you know.
yeah.
Don't follow them. Don't follow them.
All right.
Don't follow them because you the people them are gonna cuss.
Sure.
Don't follow them PNP, yeah.
People
All
want
right, Mr. Lewis.
educated argument. People know why you know fool man come up and back to Mark Golding wealth and sit. Damn fool.
Oh, you know what?
Call you that entertain them the argument they call.
You know why
they expect better from you, man.
Andrew Holness wealth. You know why you're not about Mark Golding wealth, right? Andrew Holness wealth alone, you want you about.
No, because Andrew Holness wealth is what is being questioned by the Integrity Commission at this time. Andrew Holness at the Integrity Commission
Mark
at court going to court tomorrow. Mark Golding wealth has been verified
It's more dangerous
up to
than Andrew
2023.
Holness one. Or my quiet. Him acquired by slave, by
Mr. Blade,
his
it's a distraction,
ancestors'
Mr.
slave
Blade. Make
minds.
caution continue now. Mute my caution finish continue.
Why are you
Mute my
giving
caution
us about
continue.
make caution continue?
Mr.
Caution
Blair.
Caution
Mr. Blair.
continue. In the done
Mr.
now.
Blair. Mr. Blair.
What to you, Richard?
Voila.
What do you?
Mr.
It's
Blair.
a finish. Somebody
Me
else
about
talk now.
caution,
You
not
still
talk.
finish.
Caution and finish. All right,
Mr. Blair.
Can come
Mr.
in
Blair.
now.
I want
Let
to
me come in.
Richard.
Mr. Blair.
Relax, man.
Me can come in now.
Mr. Richard, hold on a bit there. Let me say something to Mr. Blair. Mr. Blair.
But you're going
Yeah, go ahead.
You know,
Qualified for cash.
the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, he's an example for the persons from humble beginning, the poor black people. Him show them how them
because
can.
thief. Where am I telling you? For thief?
No,
For
no, oral.
For thief?
If Andrew Holness
What's
the evidence of Andrew Holness is a thief?
Hold on, let me answer your question. If Andrew Holness want to be...
I'm making a statement, let me ask a question.
Hold on, let me answer your question. You asked it already.
Me not ask a question. I tell you, sir, the Prime Minister is an example for the humble, poor black people.
Go back to the topic.
The Prime Minister show them how they can make money by spending theirs.
No, Mr. Blair, Mr. Blair, mute that, Mr. Blair, man. Mute them, we're not going to say. We're not going to distract Mr. Blair.
No, but you
question. Mr.
Blair, me don't ask nothing. Me don't ask nothing, I'm making a statement.
Mr. Blair, allow that. Mute, let me say something now. All right, cool. All right. If something come out say 6 to 11 years, we don't say the PNP and the JLPNP. All right. The last report come from the Auditor General a couple months ago. They say 11 years. Listen to me now. In 11 years, them can't find $1.7 trillion. Anybody remember that? $1.7 trillion in the last 11 years. Pass, go cross, both administration.
Andrew only did 9 years now.
Ora, listen to my question because sometimes I answer I get yourself in trouble. Listen what I say again. Earlier on this year, a report come from the Auditor General said over the past 11 years, the three ministry, you can't find them to know or 1.7 trillion spent. You remember that? Yeah, Andrew only out of 11, Andrew only spend much. 9 out of 10. All right. So PNP do 2. All right. You get the piece I know now? The new one coming now, so they can't find $3 trillion. So I added $1.3 trillion go for it. Can't come from 11 years, you know. It must be within the 9 years. You don't get what I say?
Yeah, I spin that.
Yes, you.
No, but I'm not spin this like facts.
Where you get that from? Where you get that from?
Facts are calm to you. Facts are calm to you. I can't.
Listen, man.
You're a fact.
Oh shit! They never read the Auditor General's report. Why are we this?
More say something, you know. Wait, more finish everything when me say. Let me take out the earphone, cause let me take the earphone. Me I talk too loud. Me I shout them, you know. Sir, me I come there. Let me put back the earphone. Where is it? Yeah, man. Yeah. Let me come back. Hello? Hey, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Go ahead, man. We are hear you.
Yeah, man. All right, listen what me I say again. Let me tell you. Earlier on this year, there was a report from the Auditor General. So you have 3 ministries going: the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Education, and the Office of the Prime Minister. And then them cannot tell the Auditor General how $1.7 trillion spent over 11 years. 2 years under the PNP and 3 years under the JLP. All right. Let us say under the PNP, $1 trillion can't find under the PNP. So $7 trillion can't find under the JLP. One new one come out now. There is $3 trillion. So obviously, since this 9 years is $1.3 trillion.
No, that's not what I mean. It mean the audit never conclude.
You don't know what it read. It means that you never read the report. You don't know about the report.
The audit never conclude over the 11 years, so it conclude now, and they realize that more money missing.
What you, Richard? When the man answer, you know, man. You don't ask man a question. When the man answer, you know, man. You can't make man answer, you know.
Hello,
But you don't finish. How you mean you don't finish?
I told them, I asked the two of them if they know about the Auditor General report, and they say no. So you
don't finish. You don't finish.
Me not finish. Hey, cool, Mr. Lewis, man. Me not finish, man. Listen, Mr. Phillips, man. Me I say, listen, me, man. Me I give a PNP in a 2-year PNP missing $1 trillion.
Speculation that.
Listen, me, man. Me I do it. Me I tell you.
No, it makes no sense.
Oral, please. Mute and make him talk. Mute and make him talk.
Purpose is the man that say 1 trillion out
purpose.
Argument purpose. And the rest of the labor rights.
Yes. So listen me. Out of the $1.7 trillion, you see the 2 year, the PNP no missing $1 trillion. All right?
Mr. Richard, that is not factual. Why does it not facts?
Well, make man finish
Others
that.
people listen.
Please.
No, the point.
Just let write down, make him finish that.
No, but what I'm saying, information and persons out here listening and going believe it.
Make him finish talk. Make him finish right down. Let him finish, please, man. Let him finish.
All right, we have a conversation. We will say for the purpose of the argument. All right. First, I must say, you know, say everyone, most of we in Jamaica. All right, so every man in Jamaica a thief. I mean every man in Jamaica a thief, but for argument's sake, every man in Jamaica a thief. So I'm saying, for argument's sake, in 11 years, you can't find 1.7 trillion at 3 ministry. For 2 years in the PNP, I'm gonna be generous. I'm just at for argument's sake. Say, all right, say $1 trillion on that.
We take $1 trillion and go to the
I take $1 trillion and give 7 trillion.
Yeah.
All right. One new report come out now, say they can't find $1.3 trillion. That's how they report, you know.
So OPMP coming at that oral.
OPMP coming at last one.
The question over what period?
You see, report you read today, it's saying that it's 6 to 11 years.
Yeah, what's the period? The 1.3 million missing. Over what period?
In the last 6 years. In the last 6 years. In the last 6 years. In the last, wait, listen, remember before you come, Mr. Carl. You see, the report said, in the last 6 to 11 years. So, it's 11 years at 1.7.
The last 6 to 11 years.
Well, let me take a little time again. Well, come out earlier on this year, said the government can't account for $1.7 trillion. Out of the $1.7 trillion, 700